Pino. Down the looker, Ren Drag Tanggol. Pino, Laundry AJ. Kaboom! Again, 3-point shots at table lang. Kahapon na door. Jude from the 3. Kaboom! Jude Roque. Good drive. On the back end. Yes, sir. Alamar, Diana. DeAndre's Dagger 3. Recent 40 shot clock. Isang 3 spot. And Katie make that 3. Super MVP. Pass to Ryan Reyes. And 9 on the shot clock. Behind the back. Sabay step back. And that fade away. Her number 2, Katie. Pinawi naman agad-agad. Katie Nessens. Second pass to TJ Del Pino. Jonas Sargento. Siya yung magmamanage dito ng kanilang unang atake. Pass to Ryan Reyes. Get the first stretch from the ball game. Ito yung isa sa mga nag-i-improve na player ng Pampanga, Ryan Reyes. After a quick answer for 2 points, Reverend Baluyan naman ng ating boy na Blanca G. For number 10, Ryan Reyes to CJ Del Pino. Her number 2, Katie. Pinawi naman agad-agad. Katie Nessens. For all, Del Pino, pass to Ryan Reyes. Basket. The massive man of Pampanga. David. On the ball, steal for King Arthur. King naman nakawala. King Arthur. Solid na line up. Level up talaga. Eight is the score. Here comes number 77. Andrew Zerano, 30 shot block. Andrew another lessons. Here comes DJ Del Pino. Bakit napanood ko na yun ah? 10-4, 3-4 shots. Andrew Zerano. That is only a long 2 correct by the referee. Stepping on the line. That is only 2-point shots. 7 minutes and 40. That is the score. Close inside. John Mikey Sita to King Arthur. The Super MVP naman. Magpapahuli ko naman yung pride ng Santiago Lagao. That was a 3 on Super MVP. Kay Del Pino. It's a 3-on-2 situation. Deliver number 3. David Pass shot na na. Defensive rebound by the King Arthur. Here comes that by Justin Bautista. Stop it. On base. Super MVP. Inside the page, yes. J.R. David is also an MPDL player. He is a former Batangan Risers. Hagelbad, Tanggol, pass to now by Jan Sita, set up Super MVP. Uy, first day pa lang, ubos na yung boses ng announcer. Sa sobrang ganda ng bakbakan, sir. Dito ng ating Digama Roll Pop. 15-second shot clock. Tag ball. Recover for the blue shirts. Number 2. Pass to Ren. 9 on the shot clock. Behind the back. Sabay step back. And that fade away connect. What a move. 9 on the shot clock. Behind the back. Sabay step back. Away. 420, Hamanay, CJ Del Pino. Fighting the signal. CJ, both deflected steal and it's an all the way easy layup. Adrian Serrano, timeout on Coach Pepe Duya. Yan yung gumagawa ng pangalan ngayon from the Negros NBBL. What the pass, PJ Garcia. Yan na yung mga player ng Barangay Santa Cruz, Lubao. Sama-sama. Number 14, 15 seconds. Shot clock natin. Double D, nice form. Down, level up Lubao. Labrador kick out to run. Down stroke to the Oyer. Recent 40 shot clock. Isang 3 spot. And Katie make that 3. 2:37. Di pa rin naman tayo lumalayo ng todo dito for level up Lubao. Down another red drag tanggol. Yan po yung tanggol ng Blue League. So the country continuing down to 5. The super point guard of Santa Cruz, the marksman, pass to De Leon, 40 shot clock, down and yung napasama sa mga taga Santa Cruz, Precious De La Cruz, basket count, and one foul number 4, Delicious. Complete. Badly down, KD De Jesus. Good ball. Pull up the bird, it is for De Leon. 10 seconds. Great reserve. Post on Alan Martiala. 3. And represent as a ball top for that one. Versus may pagkakataon pa makascore for that 3 free throws. Pumasok yung una, yung pangalawa sa mabla. And he get to or is 25-21. That was only basket good for PJ Garcia. First 2 points net there. As for the level up, Lubao at Sisi. Maisip pa ito ng mga taga Santa Cruz player. Radio and AJ. And another stolen for level up Lubao. Walo lamang, tingnan natin. Francis De La Cruz, nabitawan. Labrador, makakabawi sila dito ng easy basket. Pero pinalitan pa. And number 4 cover in to the rescue. And si JR David. There's a steal. Here comes the Francis Delicious. Here comes the post for JR David. Pass number 4 in Redwin. Natakot yung bola. Alamar, Diala, the Aldrins, Dagger 3. Di pa rin naman pinapabayaan dito ng ating Oriental Blanca na lumayo yung laban. Number 5, Tolentino. Critical play, JR David. Another blow will get by JR Porter. Shooting 2, by David. Versus good. Nasa yung pito na nawawala. So 2 at the 2. Malakas nga lang yung kanyang hook shot. Here comes Laney against CJ Del Pino. Foul. Versus good. Smith. Down at 5. Number 29, Mary Panan. Pass to Arvin Bautista. Open si Tan. Bam! 3 points. Look at that ball rotation. Uy, Arvin. Get that scoop. Good find for Meme. 39-29, 10-point leads. PR, hinamon ulit dito si Ryan. Tama sa second, Tasty. EJ Del Pino! Hindi yung drive, no? Number 4, goal! What the heck? Ganun din yung ginawa. Kaya mo rin yan. Sabi ni Kanggol. Number 10, block! But that is a contact to the hand. Sige. Ito na naman, number 17, Roque, recover, 15 shot clock. Jude Roque, go drive, on the basket, yes sir. Now double-digit 13 points from the level of Lubao. Level na yung kanilang score dito. Against from the Florida. Number 4. Pass to number 4. Or rather, pareho sila. At tandaan niyo na lang. Basket on J.R. David. Number 30, Garcia. PJ. Good for 2 for teardrop. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Aldrin for Tanggol. From long 3. Look in. Defensive rebound. Here comes Justin Bautista. Now by the King Arthur. Back to that timeout. For the Florida Blanca GP 48-33. And the lead now going up. CG Delpino. And Southeast playing for 2. 3 and 30, 50-33, 17-point leads. David. Pass to Harvey Labrador. Or rather, Harvey Labrador. Jude from the 3. Kaboom! Down at 40, 3-40 on the wheel clock. 13 seconds. Jude Roque. Wala, offensive rebound underneath. Iwan pa yun. Dito sa pinakamasipag na player ng Lubao, John Sita. Foul number 3, PJ Garcia. Now Redman, pass to KJ Jesus. KJ lang sa mana. Magsuyo po pagkitagal po yung mga flash ng cellphone ninyo. Zigzag, behind back, passing it open. Papa PJ Garcia. Magagaling talaga yung mga Garcia. 1 minute. Exactly. 30 seconds. Laundry AJ. Kaboom! 3-point shots at table lang. Yung mga 3-point shots collection nagkasunod-sunod din from the level up Lubao. Now the lead at 19. First up pa lang po yan. Haba pa. Jansita. 60-39. Look at the score for level up Lubao. Jude Tolentino. At the end of the first half, may 60 points na. Yung level up Lubao. 60-42. What a score for the level up Lubao. AJ Lagsamana to the King Arthur. Crashes. Kinaliwa. Denied by J.R. David. Controlled by Alan Labrador. 44-60. Lagsamana. Pass to the King Arthur. John Sita. Rivers. Basket. The Cruz. Rayel to AJ. King Arthur from 3. Follow up. Sipag talaga nito ni John Sita. The marksman, Rayel, drive. Kick out to Precious. John Sita na naman ang makakasaka ng basket dyan. To John Sita. Jude Roque. Basic basketball. Aaron Labrador. Head for 2. Jude Roque, basic na naman. One of the pride of Pampanga, your very own player ng Santo Tomas Lubao. That is King Arthur. Set up. 3-point shots. Andres Serrano. 3. 21 points. Uy, Sakaha. Ryan Reyes. Tolentino, 3-point shots. Back 3. Present number 4, David. The tres good. Ryan Reyes. Securing the, rather received the rebound, pero napabagsak as 3-point shots.